So welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today's vlog is gonna be the oil change for my ZL1. So we're on our way to AutoZone to buy Mobile 1. I don't remember the number tag that is specific for the oil. I think it's 5W30. I think that's the number. But whatever, we're gonna change the oil today, so that's gonna be the vlog. So here you go. Exactly. So we use 5W30 Mobile 1. Good synthetic oil. I usually use purple, royal purple, with the same brand and all, but this is good, and this is what is recommended and comes from the factory. After this, we're gonna go and change the oil, and I'm gonna for all my friends out there that are watching this video right now, I'm gonna recommend you to Shell gas station, in which we're gonna go now. And well, yeah. Okay guys, so the total price of the oil was 71 because it was in special. There was a discount for the oil. Plus, now we're on our way to the gas station, in which they have a, how do you call this? Pino. For us in Puerto Rico, we call it Pino. And we're gonna do the oil change now, so yeah. Hey guys, so as you can see here too, the oil, I'll change oil soon. Right now is at 0% because today I got the chance to change the oil because I'm free. I don't have to work today and all that, but yeah. I've been suffering like for a week, but yeah, we're done for today, so let's do this. Guys, so we're gonna show you the process of the oil change in the Camaro ZL1. So here you go.
And I'm losing my mind for the days, 'cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you lie for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control.
Okay guys, so he's done putting it out the oil and putting the new filter in. The filter we're using right now is Acedelco. I don't know the number right now, but I'm gonna check the number. I'm gonna leave it down in the description below for those people that have Camaro specifically, and how many quarters, yeah, of oil does it take for this car to like absorb. But yeah, it's like around 8. By the way, this type of cars normally they run about to 210 to 216 Fahrenheit, because I don't know why. Maybe because of the V8 or maybe because of the mixture. Well, whatever. Point is, normal run for normal temperature for the oil in Camaro ZL1 this year specifically is 210 to 216. So just for advice, just to give you guys that.
And I'm losing my mind for the days, 'cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you lie for me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. No, I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy, show you crave your hand.
so to reset the oil, we have to go to the menu, vehicle, then you're gonna press here for 10 seconds, and then you're gonna go and hit reset. And yes, I want to reset the oil, and 100%. So that's how you change the oil life for the ZL1 or other 2014 Camaros out there. So yeah, there you go, we're done. Okay guys, so we finished doing the oil change, so I'm gonna leave the video here for next time. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.